Welcome to Invest Northern Ireland's COVID-19 response webinar series.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Deborah Johnston from Invest Northern Ireland, and I would like to welcome you all to our COVID-19 response webinar. Today's webinar is part of our Practical Export Skills series, and the topic today is planning and delivering effective online meetings. Our presenter is Michael McIntyre from the Sales Practice Ireland. After the presentation, there will be a question and answer session with Michael, and thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now, or one that comes up during the presentation, please use the Questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it through to us. We are also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website, and we will email you with the details when it is available online. I'd now like to welcome our presenter today, Michael McIntyre from the Sales Practice Ireland.
Hello everyone, I'm Michael McIntyre, and in the next hour or so, what I'd like to do is to have a chat about planning for and delivering effective online meetings. And I'd like to discuss why it's more acceptable to have online meetings, some of the online meeting equipment and software, which many of you may already be using and which I hope to talk to you about and hopefully give you an opportunity to consider what it is that you might need to have more effective online meetings. I'd also like to share with you some of my experiences in designing and delivering online meetings, both for internal reasons and for customers in selling situations, both account management and business development. What I'd also like to do is to share with you some of my experiences in terms of online meeting etiquette, some of the do's, some of the don'ts. My own particular style would be to encourage people to do things in a certain way, but not to tell them, which is to show them and to demonstrate and encourage them to do it. And I'd like to share some of those with you. Some of them you may recognize, some of them may be new to you. What I'd also like to do is to have a discussion about how online meetings can improve the efficiency of your selling. We've had a tectonic shift in terms of the acceptability of online meetings, and both personally and professionally. And therefore, for me, it's fertile ground for using online meetings to improve the efficiency of your business development and your account management. And by way of illustration, what I'd like to do is to show you an example, a case study of a client that the Sales Practice Ireland's been working with to improve the quality of their selling and how online meetings have helped to do that.